I've just created original captions using auto-transcribe, and I'm really pleased with the results that I see here. Since I'm aiming for perfection and going to give this a look over, I'll now need to post-edit my captions, and I can easily do so here in the caption editor. This is the view that I'm in now. From the caption editor, I can begin working right here in my spreadsheet view, which is what you see here on the right-hand side of the window, and begin editing captions directly, like so. Looking at this first caption, I see that I want to make the A in Adams capitalized, so I'm going to go ahead and make that change. And you'll see that as I've done so, the change is carried over and reflected immediately in my video preview here on the left-hand side. Now I'll go ahead and click outside of the spreadsheet view, and I just want to note that if at any time I make a change to one of my captions that I want to undo, I can simply select the undo button here, which always sits at the top of my spreadsheet view. I can also select Command Z, which is a really handy shortcut, and both options will allow me to undo my last action. For more shortcuts like this one, we encourage you to navigate down here to the Help button located in the bottom right. Here you'll find a list of super helpful keyboard shortcuts organized by action that are all designed to really help you speed through your work in the caption editor. Now, returning to my spreadsheet view, where I'm working on my first caption. Now, right now I'm in my first caption, but I can use the Tab key on my keyboard to move through each of my captions and make any changes as I see fit. For each caption, I'm able to take several actions to edit right within this spreadsheet view. These edits include merge. Using merge, I can merge a selected caption with the next caption. Do note that when you choose merge, we will always merge the selected caption with the caption immediately below it. I can also split a caption if I'd like. This allows me to split or separate a caption into two new captions. Just keep in mind that Caption Hub will always split your caption at the exact location you've clicked within a particular caption. So please be sure to place the cursor at the desired split location within the text before activating this. I can also reposition a caption's location on screen by selecting the Position tool. Now, by default, captions are placed in the bottom center, but you'll see here there are 9 different locations that I can move my caption to. This is especially helpful in cases where there's existing text burned into the video that I don't want my caption to compete with, and I see this here within my first caption. Using this tool, I can select various locations that allow me to reposition my caption where they're best for my audience. Now in this case, I decide that I'd like to move the first caption to the top center, like so. Just note that any changes that I make to a caption location will only occur for this particular caption, and any additional changes that I want to make to a caption's location will need to be done within each caption. Select here to delete a selected caption, and I can toggle or choose between track 1 and track 2 to send a caption to the second track. When I do this, I tell Caption Hub that the selected caption belongs on my second track of captions. Doing this gives me greater functionality when I'm ready to export those captions later on down the line. And lastly, if you want to add a memo on the caption level, you can do so here using what we refer to as comments. And these are great for really specific messages at the caption level.